Hi everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and in this video I'll show you the latest feature of WPVR, which is the WPVR add-on for Fluent Forms, which means now you can create forms using Fluent Forms and then integrate that form on your virtual tour so that someone can contact you directly from the tour, or maybe submit a form or apply for booking directly within the virtual tour. So let's get started. Now with the latest update, you'll see there's a new option under the WPVR menu called add-ons. Once you go there, you will see it'll take you to this page where you'll find all the add-ons that WPVR has to offer. And if you have installed an add-on, it will say installed. I've already installed the WPVR add-on for Fluent Forms. That's why it says installed here. But make sure before you install this add-on, you have the Fluent Forms plugin installed, or else you won't be able to install this. Now I already have the Fluent Forms plugin installed, and I've created a simple form using Fluent Forms, which is a contact me now form. Let me just show you what this is. It's this simple form where someone will submit their names, the email address, subject, and a simple message. So it's a simple contact me form that I want to embed on a virtual tour. So let me just show you how to use this on a virtual tour by putting it in one of the virtual tours I was creating, which is this one. This is a virtual tour of a car showroom that I created, and I'll show you how you can use a Fluent Forms form in this virtual tour. But first, let me just quickly embed this on a page and show you how it looks without the form. So this is the virtual tour that I just showed you. As you can see, I've added a lot of hotspots. I added some on-hover content, but I didn't add any on-click content to this hotspots. So let's get back to the plugin. So today, first I'll show you how you can add a new hotspot and then use a Fluent Forms in that. And then I'll show you how you can edit an existing hotspot and input that Fluent Forms form in that. All right. As you can see, this tour has only one scene, and in this scene I've added this many hotspots. Now let's say I want someone to be able to click on a hotspot at this point so that they can contact me. So let me just click here. Let me first add a new hotspot and then collect the coordinates for that point. Give it an ID, let's say contact me, and I'll just choose the hotspot type as Fluent Forms. As you see, once you select that, you'll see you'll have the option to select your form and add an on-hover content. So once you click on select your form, this will give you a list of all the forms you created on Fluent Forms. So this is the one I showed you I created for this tour. So I'll just choose this one, and I can write an on-hover contact as contact me now. All right. So now I'll tell you one thing, that to view a Fluent Forms form on the tour, you have to update or publish the tour first. You cannot just see it just by clicking on the preview. So let me just update this tour. Now once the tour is updated, you can see on the tour the new hotspot has been added, and once I hover on it, it says contact me now. If I click on this, I get the Fluent Forms form that I created for contacting me. All right. So in the same way, I can also add the Fluent Forms form on an existing hotspot. So let's say I want to add it to this hotspot, which is basically the first hotspot of the tour. So this hotspot represents this one. So what I can do is that here, I first need to make sure I don't include any URL or any on-click content. If I have anything like that, I have to remove that. I can keep the on-hover content, and then I'll choose the hotspot type as Fluent Forms. And once I do that, you'll see the other options will be gone. You'll only have select your form and an on-hover content option. So here, if you click on select your forms, again it will give you a list of all the forms you created with Fluent Forms. So let me just choose the form I created. Now once I update this, you will see that on the tour the form has been attached to this hotspot. When I hover on it, I get the information. I click on this, it gives me the form. So that's how simple it is. Now let me just embed this. Here you can see the tour. This is the new hotspot I added. I didn't assign any custom icon to this, that's why it looks like this. So once I click on it, it's giving me the Fluent Forms form. I cross it out. Let me go to the other hotspot which I edited to input the Fluent Forms. I hover on it, I still get the information. I click on this, I get to submit a form. So that's how easy it is to use Fluent Forms forms on a virtual tour so that someone can contact you. So this will really help you to get more engagements from any visitors who take your virtual tour. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in another tutorial video. Take care.